Hello everyone, what's going on? It's Your Name here with another episode of Undertale. So, in the last house, we just got done solving a puzzle. We're making friends with Sane and his brothers. Everything seems to be going pretty good. Alright, so let's continue. Oh, slippery ice. It's unlumped. No, it's Sane's written on the red mark. It's a snub. Oh, wow. They did this? They made a puzzle about it? Dang it. Of course then. No! Alright, this is gonna actually be pretty difficult. Oh, dang. There's gotta be a way to hit every single one of them. No. That was a misfit. Are you kidding me? I just had it going. Alright, let's try that same step again. 1, 2, over, down, over, up. Dang it. Now I'm gonna have to get to the reset button. 1, 2. Why would you do something like that? Alright. 1, 2, 3. No! Oh my gosh. No, I don't even remember what I did. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I got it. I can see it now. Yay. Something tells me I should. Okay, so that's him. It's this way. Wolf. Is there a dog in here? What a tiny doghouse. Okay. Oh my! I thought you were. It's too far away to pet. You just pet the air. I swear you were. Play. Oh, ow! Beacon? You call greater rain. It bounces towards you, flickering slobber in its face. Don't do it! Oh. No, you were supposed to be asleep. Oh. Can't spare you yet. Oh my gosh. Play. Oh my gosh. Nope, I'm dead. Oh, no. Stay determined. I will. Or at least I'm trying to stay determined. Alright. Try this. No, that means I have to go through the puzzle again. I'm done. Just mess me up now. Right here. Alright. Oh, man, I totally forgot what this puzzle was. Crap. Alright, I'm pretty sure it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. Dang it. It's not that, so that's not the way to go. Dang it. 1, 2, 3. Alright. There we go. Come on, build that bridge. Build that bridge. Alright. So we're gonna go down this way instead. What's up? Nothing. What the heck are that? What the? What the heck? Give? Decorate? Oh, I don't think you like that. Undecorate. Dang it. Dang. Don't hit me. Oh. Can I spare you now? Oh, thank gosh. Okay. Are you lost? What the heck? Be a puzzle or something I have to solve. To solve this. Ah, no. I want to know what's inside. Wait a minute. Come back here. Let me touch you. Let me touch you. Come back here. Let me touch you. No, yeah, let me. I want to hear one of them because one of them might say what the thing is. Please, come here. Yeah. Okay, so that's you. So 1, 2. Oh my gosh, this door's locked. Crap. Alright, we'll come back to that for sure. We'll all come back to that for sure. Alright, now let's go face that big dog. And this is a snow puff. This, however, is a snow puff. Surprisingly, it's a snow puff. Snow puff. It's really a snow puff. Behold, a snow puff. There's 300 G inside this. What is it? It's a snow puff. And you are a puppy. And you get big. Big puppy. Okay. Going to begin. Crap! It did it again. I'm trying to stay determined. It's really hard to stay determined. No! I messed up. Okay. Well, I know I'm gonna do this for nothing, but reset. Oh my gosh. Reset. Fall down. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Come on. Slide all the way. Ow. Okay. Snow puff, excuse me, snow puff. Snow puff. And you. Yep. Come on. Actually thought you were an adorable puppy until you came out of the ground. I mean, you're still adorable, but lose the armor, man. Gonna beacon. Bounces towards me. Crap! Bark. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. He wants to go. Spots on the ground and picks it up. Oh, you tricked me. Want some TLC? What is TLC? Oh, I did it again. more lemons. Okay. I want the nice cream. Okay. Dang it. Like that? But still fires bark at you. Oh, thank gosh. Oh. Yay. Are you gonna be my new best friend now? What? How could you see that? Wait a minute, but you'll okay. I swear if this bridge collapses, this is why I don't get on bridge, people. Don't do it, human. This is your final and most dangerous challenge. Behold, the gauntlet of terror. My dog! The dog! When I say the word, it will fully activate. Cannons will fire, spikes will swing, blades will swing. Each part will swing violently up and down. The only tiniest chance of victory was still me. Are you ready? Because I am about to do it. No, not the dog. What's the hold up? Hold up. What's the hold up? I'm about to activate it now. Oh my god. That doesn't look very active. Well, this challenge, it seems maybe too easy to defeat them with the human. Yeah, we can't use this one. I'm a skeleton with standards. My puzzles are very flat, and my traps are extremely complex. But this method is too direct. No class at all. Away it goes. Yay! Phew. Oh my gosh, this dude. Saints? I don't know what my brother's going to do now. If I was you, I would make sure I understand the blue attacks. So he's gonna attack. Oh! Welcome to Shodan. Oh wow. Hello, traveler. Can I help you? Wow, we can buy stuff. Okay, so how much do I have? Yes, I would like tight gloves. And can I get Yes. And then a biscuit. Thank you. Thank you. Can I talk? So something doesn't look like a pawn shop. I don't know. No. Not a tortoise. Alright, peace. I will. Thank you for the food and stuff. Welcome to the Shodan. Hotel 1 HD to stay. I don't have that much money. Alright. The sight of friendly town fills you with determination. Thank you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a long, hard day for me, but I got through this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like in the description below, and we'll see you next time.